Well, here we are exactly 1 week later, taking Ginger for a walk. Everybody say hello, Ginger. It has been a fantastic week. The internet worked. I was able to function and do my job all week, which is fantastic. So we got 1 more week to stay here, and then we moved to 1,000 Trails in Orlando. Come on, Ginger, let's cut through the grass. And from what I hear, the internet at 1,000 Trails in Orlando, which is only 8 miles from here, is pretty shoddy. I think why the reason is that you have 1,000 RV spots and 1 cell tower. So I'm a little bit concerned about that. I can't lie, because at the end of the day, if I can't do my job, I can't be out here. So I can go anywhere I want to go as long as we have cell coverage and internet. Because I do work Monday through Friday, technically 7 days a week. I'm fixing to go to the office now. Today is Sunday. I'm fixing to go to the office now and do some fuel reports and got a load invoice. Driver just sent me a load invoice. Invoice that out and get it put into the fog line, put it on the settlement sheet. I like to stay caught up, so I'm always pretty much working that way. It makes during the day a lot easier, you know. So I don't have to spend 8 hours staring at the computer and trying to figure out how to get caught up, but I can come and go. I just have to stay close to the computer so that we can do carrier packets or rate cons or whatever we need to do, or run MC numbers or what have you. And the dog is going to go to the bathroom. We won't show you that, but we will show you a cow. Everybody say hello, cow. So pretty cool. All right, I got to pick up some poop. TMI, right? So here's what we got. Office set up right here. Side deck there, we cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is where the living quarters is. 4K television. Another office desk there. Kitchen. Bathroom and bedroom. Not a bad layout. I do love this unit. We can work here, got the internet going really good. So it's working out really nice. All right, back to work. It's what you do at retirement. You can play shuffleboard. Currently we have to work. We've got a few years to go before we get to retirement. But one day I'll be out here playing shuffleboard there. Come on.